Hi, I'm Mark Anderson with Anderson Seed and Garden in Logan, Utah, and we've been selling Baicor products for almost 30 years, and we've found some great ways to bundle them together, to package them with other products, to make our business a lot more profitable. One of my favorite products from Baicor, if you're not using it, you should be, is called Tree Feast. Now the Tree Feast is made specifically for trees and shrubs. It's got a great balanced fertilizer in there, slow release, so it's going to last for multiple months throughout the season. Has a micronutrient package in there as well too, and we actually go out and apply this for our customers. So this is a product that we'll go out. Somebody's having problems with the tree. It's a big tree. They don't want to have to deal with it themselves. We'll go out and make the application for them, or you can teach them how to do it as well too. And we make the application out around the drip line of the tree, and so it's fairly easy to do. It has a lot of iron in there, but a lot of times the customer's tree is struggling with iron deficiency. We have very alkaline soil here in Utah, and so we'll package the two together. So we'll add some Iron Combo Chelate in there. So the Tree Feast has about 0.75% of a chelated iron in there, where the Combo Chelate has 4.5% in there. And so the combination of the two doesn't overload the tree with too much iron, actually gives it just the right amount to really correct an iron deficiency. So we'll package those two together quite frequently. Slow release nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium with micronutrients, add some extra micronutrients into it. They'll see a big difference in their tree in just a couple weeks. If it's a shrub or some smaller plants, they'll see it a lot faster, and so we'll bundle those two together. But one of the other options that we put in there is use an insecticide. And so this is the Fertilome Tree and Shrub Drench. And it has imidacloprid in there. If they're struggling with aphid problems or borer issues or other insects that are attacking the tree, you can actually bundle it together and sell them an insecticide fertilizer combo, and if they need, they can add the iron in as well too. You can make the application at the same time. The Tree and Shrub Drench is recommended to do closer to the trunk. There's enough feeder roots right there that'll pick up that insecticide, and so when you put the Tree Feast in there with it, you can make that one application, one 5-gallon bucket. You can mix it all together and put it on the ground right around the trunk of the tree, or you can do it around the drip line. Either way will work just fine, and you can package those products together and really make a great sale to your customer, but also make your customer really happy because of the effectiveness of the insecticide and the fertilizer all in one, and correct a lot of problems in one application.